My name is Tomas. I'm with EHP Hospitality out in the East End of Long Island. We have 5 marinas, 2 resorts, and 4 restaurants. We offer guest-first experiences across all of our venues and marinas. We are located in East Hampton, Southampton, and the North Fork, and New Suffolk and Cutchogue locations for the marinas. If you have a boat on the East End or enjoy the East End boating, please feel free to check us out at ehphospitality.com. Thank you very much.
What do you think about this show?
We're just here at the show to greet the people, try to get, some connections through the industries and meet the clientele of New York that we hopefully will be serving soon.
If you want people connect with you, your phone number, how can you get it?
You can catch me at 516-477-5726, or you can get all our information on our websites. Just search ehpmarina.com.
How's it going? We're here at Pop Board Co. out of California. Here we got your best nautical products in the industry. Got your inflatable paddle boards, chairs, and docks. See here is just gonna elevate your boating experience. You can blow up these docks back behind your boat, kind of expand the space on your boat, give you a little extra flex space. Put chairs on it, cooler in the middle. These are going to hold up to 1,500 pounds. We've got your inflatable chairs here, which aren't going to damage your boat and save space on the boat, being that they are inflatable. They can pack down to a sweet size. And you even have your inflatable paddle boards, which are TSA approved, and you can take all around the world. Come join us and elevate your nautical experience here with Pop. Find us at popboardco.com. If you want to give us a call, that's 951-398-8644, and we can get you a great boat show special on the deal. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Ryan. Welcome to the Viaggio booth. We got a 16-footer over here. We got a 20-footer. All the way over here, we got a 26 to a 24 to a 22. If you're thinking of a pontoon, we got it. Come on down to the Viaggio booth. 26-footer. 26-footer with a 250. Boat show deal, we'll get it for 100 grand.
Website, phone number.
Yeah, come on down to ViaggioPontoonBoats.com, and we got a dealer in New Jersey, and we got a dealer in Long Island.